Hello, everybody. Welcome to XM live trading session in the advanced room. Guess the trade. I'm here with Stanislav Kolev. My name is Junaid Vahid. Before we start talk about the markets, I'd like to say a huge hello. Happy Friday to Stanley and happy Friday to all of our viewers, YouTube viewers, XM viewers. How are you, Stanley?
Hey Juni, good to see you. Pretty good. Had a pretty solid workout. Yeah, in the morning had some food, had some trades, stop losses. Unlucky. Uh, I'm not gonna say much about trading because you know why. Everything is great, man. Good trading week, good memories traveled, ready to trade everything with you. And also, how are you doing?
Doing great. Doing great. Waiting for the session to see if there will be volatility to trade early in this morning. Yeah. What we do this session?
Even there is not, we will be obliged to do it. So yeah.
Yes.
Viewers, we need your help to conduct the session properly. We will be guessing each other positions, but you will have to give us the instruments for us to trade. Currencies, commodities, European stocks, cryptocurrencies, all of that is available except the Western Hemisphere stocks. You bring the instrument into the chat. One of us that doesn't have the screen, in this case is me, will open the position, and the person with the screen will have to guess. Juni will guess as much as possible information about the position, entry exit strategy, position management, stop loss, take profit, some bias, what's the entry, the time frame, and so on and so forth. The idea for this session is to prove that no matter of the market conditions, there is always possibility and opportunity to trade and potentially, of course, to generate some profit. We know each other trading styles for quite some time, so it's not too hard sometimes. Some other times it's very hard because uh, things are not clear, there are discrepancy of the time frames, etc. So that's more or less in a nutshell. We need your help. So bring it on. Yuan is first to speak. I will be keeping a track of instruments. Something that I forgot to say. We will trade at least um, one per viewer. And if we run out of viewers, Ioannis, and we're going to trade your second, third, fifth, and whatever, as many. So give us 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7. Tapelo is with gold, but Ioannis already have given gold for Stan. Let's go. I'm ready.
All right. Big hello, Tapelo, Ioannis again. Uh, Gold for Stanley. I have gold from this morning long. We traded that with Ioannis. He probably wants to see Stanley's opinion. And let's see when he's ready.
I said,
You ready?
yeah.
Stanley is ready. Probably he's buying, I'll say, because daily chart, there is a bullish divergence false breakout. 4-hour chart, false breakout retest. 1-hour chart, 30, 40 minutes. I think Stanley's buying stop below the 1-hour low. As the same trade that I have, I think that's going to be just target could be probably inside. Target could be somewhere here and probably higher. I have inverse head and shoulder buy. So let's see.
Let us see. Everything
Yeah.
is true, except the stop loss I use a little bit cheaper. This 15-minute spring and retest is good enough. The distance is not that much, so it's according to your preference as well. I like it here. If that low gets taken, I want it out. Daily, we also have an attempt to come back in this structure as well. We never had a higher close. Maybe today is a good day for that. We have the new Fed chairman, um, um, what is called ceremony for Kevin Walsh. We're gonna have Trump. We have
Question from YouTube. I have been watching dollar Japanese yen and dollar Canadian dollar. Lawrence brings also two instruments from our YouTube viewers.
all right. Lawrence Jr. will trade dollar Japanese yen,
Okay.
and the next one
Unfortunately.
is dollar cut. If we continue, great. Uh, Nothing much to add. It's great structure, good looking pattern. I like what I see. I have great risk to reward. $4 for $45, 1 to 11. Fantastic. Juni is doing which one? Dollar yen. Okay. Tapelo with the Nasdaq. Okay,
I'm
next one we
ready.
do the Nasdaq because we didn't trade anything for you. Juni is ready. Dollar yen correctively going up in the last few days after intervention. 4 hour, there is a false breakout on the upside here, but no sell configuration. 1 hour is coming. We had after the up thrust, we have it correctively going up. 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. It is at the sell zone. Uh, Also 30 minutes bearish engulfing. We're inside of that too. Let's start the daily pin bar. First, on first glance, stop loss above the pin bar. We don't know how today is gonna close, right? Yes. 4 hour pin bar confirmation candle. Up thrust. Still sell. 1 hour is going up. We have this. I feel like Junior will sell, even though that there is no low time frame proper sell signal, but will short with stop above the high for good risk to reward. If he is buying right against the resistance. Maybe this tight of stop loss, 10 pips to get to 10, 15 minutes. I'm gonna go with sell. I think it does look pretty good.
Stop loss last. The okay, take profit.
Take profit um, at the bottom of the structure. We start, then we're going
Take
down.
profit if you have profit.
If the guess is right, also, because yeah,
Okay,
the
that's
previous structure there have been significant buying there, and so on and so forth.
so forth.
Yes, sir.
There is nothing beside daily shooting star. I like to trade it, but the zone is not bad. Historically, the middle of the range, it's a hidden level of support and resistance. Many times market rejected from this level. Um, what is good here that I have daily shooting star, actually, it means reversal, depends on the context again. But there is also Bank of Japan. A market buys Bank of Japan, but Bank of Japan fear can spike it down even if it doesn't change the direction. Will bring it down and potentially buy the dip is going to be the next move. Well, I cannot buy on this right now because the price elevated. It's a peak, and obviously for a couple of days we have slowed down. We have hanging man, we have bearish pin bar, and today's price is testing my one of my entries that I like to execute when I'm trading the shooting star, and I am selling. I have nothing else for traders. I do execute shooting stars three different ways. Depends on the structure, depends on the context, depends on the risk to reward. Three type of entries I can use. This is the second entry that I can trade on the shooting star, which is can be used even with pending order. So it triggered stop above the shooting star. Target would be the previous level of resistance because I'm not sure that this is going to start new bearish trend. The bearish trend will start only with the dollar general weakness, not with yen strength here. Dollar is the leader. So I think the spike can happen, testing the previous high, maybe even lower, but eventually I think market will go against the central Bank of Japan. Um, but I don't think that is gonna make. I don't know. It could be, but I don't think due to U.S. supporting yen for in their interventions, so that this is gonna go further higher. If it does, it is what it is. I have tight stop loss, good setup. So let's see. I don't like this instrument nowadays due to intervention, consolidations, choppiness. 4 hour chart is we are at the resistance. 1 hour chart we are at the resistance. No signals. 30 minute, 15 minute started to go a little bit down. So more.
Yes. Uh,
Charles is joining.
Na- Nasdaq. I'm ready. Charles is also tuning in. Hello, experts. Hope your day is going very well. What's your thought about gold? Will it go up or down today? We already traded that. Juni had a long, and I traded long as well. I was just copying his position, and yeah,
What is that? Ah, gold.
gold.
We
I
traded
said
that.
that
We
I
can
was just
rewind back.
copying. Yes,
Mm, Nasdaq.
I'm ready.
Ah, you are trading Nasdaq. Yes. Okay, I traded also. I forgot. Um, Stanley is ready. Let's go. Let's go daily, weekly, daily. Daily, it's pushing up after a little pullback. I was having hope for a deeper pullback. We didn't get it. 3 days pullback only, and 3 days rally right now. 4 hours, price broke out, here. 1 hour. In one side, I want to say buy. I want to say buy. Another side, 15 minutes or very low time frame, quick sell can be also a position because 15 minute it makes a false breakout here. Buys for all-time high, definitely. If buys right now, stop below the low. Buys for all-time high. 15 minute, it's a sell just completed the pin bar, but he opened it earlier. I will go with buy. That was my initial thought because the market broke out. It started increasing momentum, even though it slowed down a couple of recent hours. But it's Asia-US session, so I'll say probably he's. I'm really not very confident to say because if it's 15 minutes, there could be shortening of the trust. I have three drives pattern. Need to have one bearish close here to execute a short. So will he sell this breakout, slow down in the momentum to touch that? But I initially said when I opened the chart, maybe he's buying. So I will go with the buy. Stop loss is going to be or below this 1 hour consolidation 24,000, 29,440, or he's going to use it a bit deeper to give it a chance for this pullback and eventually higher high. Well, obviously the bearish side is not materializing deeply, so it's only for lower time frame. So if he's selling, it's going to be 15 minute. If he's buying, it's going to be 4 hour daily buy. Let's see. I say buy.
That's wrong. I'm buying. on 15 minutes saying that it's an uptrust. I want to be out, which is still not. It's pushing higher. I'm gonna work with the next candle because this could be the uptrust right now, closing in and confirmation candle. The direction is right.